Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to rickroll someone on Discord. So let's start. First open the YouTube app. Now tap on the search icon at the top of the screen and search for rickroll. Now find the original video and then tap on the three dots of the video. Then tap share. Now copy the link. Now open the Discord app. Now open a channel you want to send in. First you have to type in this sign. Then paste the link. Then you have to put this sign. And then tap send. If you do this, it will not show a preview. And whenever someone sees this message, they will open the link and they will get rickrolled. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.